8 of the healthiest berries you can eat. Berries are small, soft, round fruit of various colors, mainly blue, red or purple. They are sweet or sour in taste and are often used in preserves, jams and desserts. Berries tend to have a good nutritional profile. They are typically high in fiber, vitamin C and antioxidant polyphenols. As a result, incorporating berries into your diet may help prevent and reduce symptoms of many chronic diseases. Here are 8 of the healthiest berries you can eat. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries contain good amounts of fiber, vitamin C and antioxidant anthocyanins. Eating blueberries may help reduce risk factors for heart disease and diabetes. Number 2. Raspberries. Raspberries are full of fiber and antioxidant polyphenols. Black raspberries in particular may benefit heart health. Number 3. Goji berries. Goji berries are particularly rich in nutrients that contribute to eye health. They also contain important antioxidants. Number 4. Strawberries. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C. They may also help reduce risk factors for heart disease and control blood sugar. Number 5. Bilberries. Bilberries are similar to blueberries and are effective at reducing inflammation. They may also help reduce weight and blood cholesterol. Number 6. Acai berries. Acai berries contain high amounts of antioxidants which may help reduce blood cholesterol, oxidative stress and even the symptoms of osteoarthritis. Number 7. Cranberries. Cranberries and cranberry juice can reduce the risk of urinary tract and stomach infections and may benefit heart health. However, it's best to avoid juices with lots of added sugar. Number 8. Grapes. Grapes, particularly the seeds and skin, are full of antioxidants. They may help reduce blood cholesterol and type 2 diabetes risk while also benefiting brain health. Conclusion. Berries are some of the healthiest foods you can eat. They are low in calories and high in fiber, vitamin C and antioxidants. Many berries have been associated with being beneficial for heart health. These include lowering blood pressure and cholesterol while reducing oxidative stress. They may also help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and act as great alternatives to snack with added sugar. Try to eat a few portions of berries a week and sample different types. Add them to your salads or use them as a healthy breakfast topping.